So with this question, we've got to find the smallest number by which 768 must be multiplied by to get a perfect square number. So to do this, the first step I'm going to do is have a look at its prime factorisation. So 768 ends in 8, which is even. So I know 2 goes into it, and it's 2 times 384. So I'm just going to keep going as normal, doing the prime factorisation. So 384 also goes into 2, and half of that is 192. I can see that 2 goes into that again. 2 and 96. Have to keep going. 2 and 48. Then that breaks up into 2 and 24. 2 and 12. 2 and 6. And then finally 2 and 3, because 6 isn't a prime number. Okay, so the prime factorisation for that 768 is therefore 2 times 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 3. I need it to be a square number, so let's see how I can split these into pairs of 2 squared, 2 squared, and 2 squared. So pairing them off. If I can get every element to be a square number, then I know that all of them times together will then get me a square. So for the minute 2 squared, that's a square number, 2 squared, 2 squared, 2 squared. So I've just got to fix this 3 here, and I've got to find the smallest number in order to make it square. Well, if I times 768 by 3, that will make it 2 squared, 2 squared, 2 squared, times 2 squared, times 3. So that's the 768 part. And times another 3 on the end there. So that bit's there. So we could change that 3 times 3 to be 3 squared. And then every element is a square number, and therefore that makes it squared. So our answer is we would have to times everything by 3 in order to make it a perfect square number.